Hello friends, welcome back to Traveling with RNS. Today I am testing out a product that I just got. It is the DJI Mic Mini. I have it held on with a magnetic mount that is very strong. I am loving every minute of this. I am testing out the sound quality to make sure that the sound quality is good. It is a DJI product, so it has to be good. A subscriber sent me a DJI Osmo Action 5 Pro camera, and I have tested it out, and this camera is far superior compared to my other cameras that I was using for my channel. Right now I'm shooting in 4K 30 frames per second. The sound quality, I can tell, is really good on this microphone. I'm loving every minute of the microphone. I have two microphones, one for me and one for my Wi-Fi. So you will be able to hear us. The range on this is, they say, is 360 feet. I really doubt that I'm going to be using it at 360 feet away from the camera. But the sound quality is really good. Both my wife and I can talk, and you will be able to hear us. I was using an external microphone that was not a DJI product. I highly recommend using DJI products with the DJI cameras. Yes, I can tell the sound quality is a lot better. Right now, let me show you the 4K 30 frames per second. The color quality is fantastic. Our hydrangeas actually look pretty good. They're getting pretty big with all the rain that we've had. I just transplanted these, so they're looking pretty good too. I'm showing you the plants because I want you to see the color quality of the 4K 30 frames per second compared to the 1080p. But I'm very happy with this microphone. I will be testing it out tomorrow. This will be the first time that I'm using the DJI Mic Mini. Tomorrow my Wi-Fi and I are going to be going to downtown San Antonio. We're going to be seeing the Tower of America, and we're going to be going to Market Square. Tomorrow's forecast, let me tell you all about that. 2 days ago, we had 30% chance of rain for tomorrow. I checked this morning, and we have another front coming in. It's actually kind of cool right now, so it's going to be nice downtown, but we got 80% chance of rain. So I'm going to be probably wearing we're probably going to be wearing our raincoats. Right now, it's about 80 degrees, so it's really nice out here. Tomorrow's high is 72 degrees. So it might be a little nippy for us down here in South Texas. I know some of y'all up in the north are laughing at us when we say when it gets down to 60 degrees, it's a little nippy, but it does feel good. The other day, 2 days ago, we had 93 degrees. And some of y'all are like up north are like, oh, that's just too hot. Actually, it felt pretty good.